Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to make restaurant style veg fried rice using Maggi classic veg fried rice instant spice mix masala. So let's start. After having this veg fried rice, you will not feel like ordering veg fried rice from any restaurant. As you guys can see, they have given the ingredients and the steps to prepare the veg fried rice. I will show you all the steps to make, and also this pack is available in any supermarket for just 10 rupees. You don't need any kind of sauce because this Maggi classic veg fried rice masala makes the veg fried rice very tasty. So let's start. Take a pan and keep the pan on medium high flame, and once the pan is heated, add some oil to it, and once the oil is heated, you then need to add all the vegetables to it. Cook the vegetables for at least 2 minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables because you need that crispiness while eating the veg fried rice. Now add cooked rice in the pan. Ensure that you mix the rice and the vegetables properly. Do this process gently because you don't want rice to break. And once the rice is properly mixed with the vegetable, then add Maggi classic veg fried rice masala to it. Ensure that you mix the masala properly with the rice. Once the masala is mixed with the rice, ensure that you cook the fried rice for at least 2 minutes. And there we go guys, our veg fried rice is ready. This fried rice is much better than your restaurant fried rice in terms of taste and quality. Also, this fried rice is healthier than your restaurant fried rice. Do try this recipe at your home and let us know your feedback in comment section below.